Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss about the generation of computers. There are 5 generations of computers. They are first generation, second generation, third generation, and fifth generation. Actually, what is the use of the generation of computers term, children? Basically, the term generation is used to distinguish between varying hardware and software. Each generation is defined by a significant technological development. Between 1945 to 1956, we had first generation of computers. They used thousands of vacuum tubes as circuitry and magnetic drums for memory. They used loads of power, generated large amount of heat. They were large in size. They were very expensive too. Machine languages as programming languages. They were very fastest calculating device also. Examples include ENIAC, UNIVAC 1, EDVAC. Second generation of computers was in the years 1956 to 1963. Here transistors replaced vacuum tubes, which made the computers smaller and faster than the first generation. They were very cheaper and more reliable. They were more energy efficient even after producing more heat energy by the computers. They saved instructions in memory. They used machine and assembly languages as programming languages. The examples include IBM 7090, CDC 3600. Third generation of computers was in between 1964 to 1971. Integrated circuits, that is IC, replaced transistors, which made the computer smaller, faster, cheaper than the early computers. The computers access by using keyboard and monitor. They used an operating system for the different application softwares. Examples include IBM 360 and PDP-11. Fourth generation of computers started from 1971 and they used VLSI, that is very large scale integration as technology. They were thousands of IC on a single chip, which made the computers small and portable. They were very cheaper and work at very high speed. They had very larger memory. They were very reliable and accurate also. They used GUI as operating system and they used different types of application softwares. Examples include all the computers which we are using today. Fifth generation of computers or future computers. They will use artificial intelligence, that is AI as its a feature, and ULSI, that is ultra large scale integration technology they use. Because of this one, the computers are faster and cheaper and self-reliant also. The quantum and nanotechnology, with the use of quantum and nanotechnology, the future computers will be intelligent computers. So these are about different generations of 5 generations of computers, children. So you have to read the generations of computers carefully and understand the differences among them. Thank you, children.